Yeah.
You ready, Filthy?
Yeah.
You ready, Owned?
Yep. I'm just gonna fucking.
Yeah, you
go back
guys
here with the
spread
sniper
out.
rifle.
Yep.
I'm
Watch
gonna
that
lay right
window.
here on this mountain.
Just watch the way I come up too. Going right through the bush.
Gonna watch this. Better. All right. Yeah. Okay. I can get everything now.
Straight through between the trees, right side of the rock.
I'm watching the windows. I don't see anybody yet.
Going
One
extra
cruiser.
wide around the door.
Cruisers. All right.
They probably want
I'll
him in the
watch
fucking
this.
lotto. You just won the
clear.
lottery again.
It's totally clear.
Yeah, I still have it open. So I just won the cruiser again. So that's 2.
So yeah.
And I won an all-nighter.
Yeah, well,
Are we doing
I'm the one
this?
who got the sex party. Yeah. Why would we not?
Yeah, I'm scoped. I'm good.
Is
Yeah, it's only
everybody
less than
initiating
100
raid, or
meters,
is it just
so
me?
Just you. We have to wait for it to respawn.
I'm going to.
I'm watching the windows still. Don't see anybody.
There we go.
Since we're not lockpicking.
Yeah.
Fire in the hole.
These fools are gonna be like, already? These fuckers are blowing people.
Right.
Yeah, the door's right there, right behind it. They have the door. So
I am going to check
Opens
with
it.
the metal detector because,
the fucking door is metal. So
yeah, but if we bring our rager up here, I don't want to blow it up on their doorstep. That's all.
yeah. I got you. I still don't see nothing, but I
Yeah.
need to pee apparently.
You just pee your
I'm just
pants
gonna
right there in that fucking
I'm like-
bush.
I'm not even in a
Oh.
bush. I'm just laying out here in the fucking open.
We might have
that
one on the
fucking
right
thing.
side, or they might have buried a chest. Oh, it's their
If
flag.
you had wire cutters, it would tell
It's
you.
the flag. It's the flag.
Because you could disarm them, even if they're buried.
Okay.
I think, right?
All right,
I think
5.
so.
Gonna blow the door.
Yeah.
Want one or two? One.
Try one.
Yeah, because that would be great
No
to
more.
know.
Yeah, we have more. This is great. I love doing this.
I know, right? Here it is.
I like that I can look at Kimchi's screen and fucking see
to
what he's
watch.
doing. Yeah.
Oh,
All right.
I don't like
a.
I'm
Wait.
paying
Here,
I don't see anybody yet.
before I go in, I'm gonna drop my backpack here so that we don't lose the TNT. Somebody watch that.
Oh,
I'm just watching
okay.
the entrance. Filthy, you gotta go in there.
But he just gave me his bag to guard.
Just lay down
Owns the sniper.
Right.
Yeah, we're good. It's just a Leica in here. There's another door. There's a door. It's probably bedrooms. Upstairs doesn't look like it has anything.
So yeah, that's got it.
Either side has locked doors. Do we want the Leica or the doors?
And there's no window.
There's no windows, so they gotta come out.
There's got to be their room, and there's got to be a fucking.
There's one on either side, so this looks like a duo, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, both of those look like there's some kind of a silver one. Can't tell which.
What's on the Leica?
Like it's gold. What do you guys want me to focus on?
Go for the
Say-
silvers. Go for the silvers, right? Because they could have loot in them.
Well, she gets the gold. We just take their car.
Okay.
Gold it is.
I don't care. You got this, Filthy.
Hold on.
Right.
Take your gloves off, lay down, take a breath.
Take your gloves off for sure, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna get shot.
Yeah, you are.
Oh yeah, this is great. Can you see me from there? If you're just looking out?
Like the littlest little green bump in the grass. It could totally be a bush, but yeah, I would shoot at you, yes.
Yeah, well. I didn't have really any other good spots around here.
Oh, so fucking close, Billy. Get the damn truck.
I mean, you could just blow a wall open, right?
Fucking goddamn it.
I don't know, because I don't, like, is it blatantly destroying their base if we just fucking blow all the ways through?
Well, but we're not doing it for destruction's sake.
We're trying to get the loot behind the door.
Yeah.
Might just be a bed.
I only have 30.
Well, blow one side, find out.
It also might destroy their car.
I mean,
Guess
after the car.
I'll blow it from the outside just to be safe. Oh, that was so fucking close.
I know, it's
Sorry,
happening
I should be watching my door.
More than likely, they're going to come out of one of them doors.
Mm-hmm. Or they're going to take off with our truck.
Nah,
No, why would you even...
ain't finding that over there.
Mhm.
I have like 6
That's what I need. I just ran out of lockpicks.
Oh, I got lockpicks and bobby pins and more screwdrivers. I got.
Thank you.
You want me to blow one of those, blow the left side, just so we can see what's in there?
Yeah?
You're going to blow it from the outside?
Mm-hmm.
Let me get out of the way.
Keep lockpicking, you're fine in there.
I have to make... I'm making him lockpicks right now anyway.
Yeah, you just do it while she's taking lockpicks. Yeah. Just to see what's behind one of them.
Fire in the hole. The staircase. Yeah, it just goes to the upstairs. Both of them just lead to the upstairs. There's no, it's just a car in here.
So everything's in the car.
Yep. No pressure, filthy.
Great. Fuck. Feel the pressure.
And server reset. We can go get more TNT. We know where it is.
Mm-hmm.
A left, go up.
Fucking goddamn it, so close.
I can't wait till 1.0, and then all these stats fucking matter. It'll actually.
Right?
stuck sitting over here with a scope that's fucking bouncing around when I'm laying down. Like, this shit
I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, you did. Let's get the hell out of
Go.
here.
Wait, landmine.
Really?
Check for landmine.
No, I already did. We're good.
Right.
So, what's in it? Anything?
It's a metal chest and then a bunch of logs underneath it. I don't know what. So.
Alright.